Hi there, this is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to subscribe down below and also leave a comment about what you think of this video. So today I'm looking at a product called Social Media Lead Machine. I came across this. It's not one of your usual Warrior Plus or JVZoo product, but yeah, I mean, came across this and I was actually quite surprised about it. I mean, it's actually a very good product. I mean, this product is basically a tripwire product. I mean, it leads on to the main product, which is a training course. But it's a great standalone product. And what it is, it teaches you to turn your Facebook profile page into a landing page. And then you do the other bits like go to your opt-in page and then into a funnel, which is quite a clever idea actually. And this guy, I was looking at his profile. It's quite a big deal within the with the online business community. He's a millionaire. He's a multi-millionaire, and he's doing well. And for him to start, to start making money like that, his stuff's going to be good. It ain't going to be no push button stuff that you get on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So, yeah, I mean, I looked him up. He's doing really well for himself. I think you can pretty much trust this guy. You can't trust everything, but I mean, I bought this $7 product, and yeah, I have to say it's good. So, I mean, it's a straightforward concept. You just optimize your profile, connect your funnel, and then drive the traffic. And it doesn't claim that you're going to start making millions and all that stuff, which I like. This is a proper sales page. There's no, money shots thrown in there everywhere, which is good. You can tell the difference between, like, I mean, he's got loads of testimonials, which is what you want really. But you can tell the difference between JVZoo and Warrior Plus products compared to outside affiliate marketers that don't even look at that kind of platform. So yeah, $7, sorry. It's not bad. There is once you fill that out, there is a little order bump for I think Facebook posts, how to make really good Facebook posts, which is like $37 as well. Which, yeah, I mean, yeah, I would get this. I would get all of it, because just simply because this first offer, this is brilliant. It's basically it's a PDF file, but when I say PDF, it's not like just text. It's actually a really good bit of content. So this is inside the members area. So all you get the blueprint, which is the PDF that I was talking about. You can download it here. I mean, see, the main course itself is the actual video training and all the stuff that he gives with it to get your funnel working. This is a full-on course. Costs $197. I mean, I haven't bought it. That's why I can't access it. But going by his, by the initial blueprint, I think it would be worth it. I mean, yeah, I don't think you'd go wrong. I don't think you can go wrong if you bought this, because it's a solid blueprint. I'll just go. Let me just show you the blueprint now. So this is what you get for your $7. A lot of it's all geared to get the masterclass with the $200 course. So obviously expect it, you'll expect to see that everywhere. But yeah, I mean, really, it's this. This isn't a normal PDF. I mean, if you're looking at this, it's going to keep you engaged, and you're going to read it, and it's really set out, and it's it's professionally made. So you've got this 7 bits here. So it goes through all of this. So you've got your perfect lead magnet, write a persuasive call to action, optimize your Facebook profile, simple and effective landing page, 5 money-making emails, engage with social media, unlimited free leads and sales. So he goes through the whole lot within this document, and the actual video training does that as well, and more. I think they give you like a messenger bot thing that's already done for you with responses and stuff like that. But in all seriousness, for $7, you can't go wrong, man. It's really good. It's just a good bit of training, you know. Good. This is something that you don't normally think about, you know. And I think this works with Facebook pages. I think it's more geared to your Facebook profile. So obviously you've got to keep that in mind. You'll be changing your profile, but you know, it tells you what to do. You can go through. Oh, you know, I really like this. I really like this. Just for $7, $7, you can't go wrong. You know, it gives you headlines to use and everything. I don't want to go over it too much because obviously you're going to buy this, or if you're thinking of buying it. But yeah, it's good. It's really good. And you know, this, I reckon the course itself would be really good. I mean, I didn't buy it because I'm busy with other stuff at the moment. But yeah, I reckon I'll come back and get this at some point. Because yeah, no one, you know, the psychology behind it all is that this is his own Facebook page. So you know, he's saying make it look like a landing page. And when you think about it, he has, you know, he's got a button here to make you think, all right, let's press it. People press it. Because people always, you know, they kind of look at people's profiles and pictures and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, every time you pick up a picture, you've got a link. And then that link goes onto your funnel. And, you know, it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. Good idea. It's, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. It's not unethical or anything. It's just utilizing everything, you know. It's sales page with links, you know, and that's the beginning front end of your funnel. And even here, you know, got a picture. So I think it's a great little product. Seriously, I mean, for $7 you can't go wrong, really. And he shows you how to do it all. You know, it's all in there. It's easy to read, keeps you engaged. Like I said, he does talk about the master. It's all about, you know, getting you onto masterclass. But I reckon that's going to be a good course because this guy's been, you know, if he's not a multimillionaire for no reason, he's going to be providing value. That's why it's where he is, you know, as a multimillionaire. So yeah, I think, you know, go for it. I mean, I'm not getting any money out of this because this isn't actually an affiliate. It's just something I found, and I thought, you know what, I want to share with everyone that it's a really good idea, and it's a really good bit of training. You know, I mean, if you wanted to go for the actual course itself, I think you should. You know, it's not bad. You know, I reckon it will be a quality course. Where is it? So, you know, there's a lot of videos here to go through, and he gives you a lot of tools as well. And he's got some done for you emails and all kinds of stuff, you know. And so obviously the Facebook page, that's just the start of it. You know, this is just the opening bit. This is just landing page, you know, as it were. Then you go into all the rest of the stuff. Then you go, the rest of the funnel kind of thing, and he shows you how to do all of that. So yeah, I think it's really good. So just because of, I mean, the $7, you get the blueprint. If you're able to just, you know, if you know a little bit of Facebook, how to, you know, navigate around Facebook, then, you know, this blueprint, this $7 blueprint is going to be invaluable. You're going to love it. So yeah, I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. Just because, you know, it's a great idea. It's not unethical. You know, you can definitely, you know, do well out of it. Create leads, sales, whatever. And he shows you about traffic and everything. You might be thinking, well, I haven't got any followers on my Facebook. But he goes through all the traffic. I mean, he's saying that people just, come across pages all the time and then they just sign up. But, you need to have a following. So, but he does go through all of that, how to get leads and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Only purely because it's good. It's a good training course. It's good education. And I think everyone should be doing that. All entrepreneurs should be doing it. And I don't think a lot of entrepreneurs do that. So, yeah, 9 out of 10. Cool. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a link down below. Cheers.